become stronger. I have to. Still a growing girl after all. Still a growing girl after all.
I'll do all I can to live up to your expectations.
Yeah, I think I got this now.
The intrepid warrior. How do you fare?
Oh, are you the Blood Unit's vice captain? I'm Arena der Vogelweide. We're God Eaters with the branch's first unit, and
How do you find the Far East? Friar is refined, to be sure, but this place has its own charms. The smell of earth and oil isn't unpleasant, it just shows how hard the people work. When I drink my evening tea, all the scents mingle together, and I feel the heartbeat of this place. I protect them, and in turn, they protect me. Ah, truly wonderful.
don't you think that's enough, Emil?
What? Shouldn't we build a camaraderie with our honored guests?
I was in the middle of a sentence.
Ah, yes. This little one is Irina. She is the little sister of my sworn sword, Eric der Vogelweide. May his soul rest in peace. Therefore, you may think of her as my little sister as well. I rather like that.
I am not your little sister.
There you guys are. Emil, Irina, we've got a mission. Ooh, they're at it again, aren't they? Sorry about that. This is Irina and Emil of the 1st Unit. Though I bet you already met Emil. He's probably made sure of it. They're pretty talented, I promise. Even though they're, you know, like this most of the time.
Should there be something you wish to see improved, Captain? I appreciate your guidance.
Hey, I'm nothing like that jerk.
Well, okay, sorry. Yeah, it'd be great if you took him out on a mission sometime.
Of course! Esteemed rivals, let our competition lead both of us to new heights of skill and chivalry.
Ugh.
Oh man, the girls at the Far East branch are so hot. This is gonna be awesome! Although, I guess the place does seem a bit run down. Man, I know this is the front lines, but I wasn't expecting this. Maybe I'll just spend my nights on Friar.
Friar's way too hoity-toity. This is more normal.
Are you guys serious right now? Normal? Not a chance. If this is normal, what about all the people outside these walls? Huh? All the people we ignore? Just barely scratching out a life?
Who are you?
Satsuki Takamine, freelance journalist, at your service. You all look like you've come straight from headquarters.